What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we will discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. And we have a big block of news scheduled for tomorrow, so let's jump into it. At 9:30, we have crude news. At 12 o'clock, we have the 20-year bond auction. And at 1 o'clock, we have Jerome Powell in the FOMC meeting. Now, it's very crucial to not have an open position during this time because it's never recommended to trade during FOMC. Because if you do choose to trade during this time, understand you are literally gambling with your account. So please be mindful of 1 o'clock when Jerome Powell speaks. And now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded on today's stream. And if you joined us in last night's NA meeting, we talked about this area being a potential support for the bulls to find support and a push up higher, moving over 100 points in this move. Last night I did take this trade, and when I woke up this morning, price was sitting right here at this high. My initial assumption was that price was going to continue to push higher to retest prior structure. I even went to the gym, and when I came back, I was disappointed to see that price had actually went past my break even and stopped me out of this position. It was a great example of being lazy with your winners, and I'm not gonna lie, this one hurt, but hey, it's a part of the game. Now, after we got that big move down in pre-market, the bears did try to take price down, but the bulls found support, broke higher, and pushed higher into the end of the session. During our stream today, we got an entry literally at the bottom of the support, and we rolled price all the way up to this structure. Today, I'm not gonna share any levels with NQ, and here's why. We have FOMC tomorrow. We've had erratic price action, and it's been unpredictable. And right now, price can go either way. And here's what I expect. If we get a sweep of these highs, I only expect price to get to at least 320 to 330 before we get a massive move down. Now in pre-market, if price does fail here and price pushes lower, I think this will be the start of a big move down, My bias going into tomorrow is that we have a slow grind sell-off, even possibly breaking these lows and actually probably getting to around 960 and 920. I think we can possibly see this level, if not tomorrow, possibly by the end of this week. And that's going to determine the rate decision. Now, the reason why we got this pump was because that rates were possibly going to be cut. And now the speculation is that we may not actually get a rate cut tomorrow. So we will see. That will dictate the direction that the market goes in for the rest of the week. So I won't be sharing any levels for NQ tonight. And with that said, let's jump into a CL chart. Now this is a CL chart, and I did see this drop coming. I think we get a big correction with CL. From last night's NA meeting, I believe we will still try to retest these levels. The bulls have pushed price higher after we got this range breakout. I'm thinking that the bears are going to come back, dip into this range, and that's where we'll see the price action for that move higher to possibly retest this high. We need more information with CL. Right now, the structure is bullish, but it's unclear if the bulls can find support at this range, if the bears can break through this range and retest the range breakout, or if the bulls want to find support here and push price higher. So we just need more information with CL, and we're going to get that with pre-market price action. But remember, this is just a game plan for tomorrow. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias going into tomorrow's stream. Because we don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tell the story, and if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. All right, so today I did not trade any real accounts. I've just been practicing in my Top Step X accounts. So today in 2 of my accounts, I hit daily loss limit. Unfortunately, I misread the market structure. Then I found myself on the wrong side of the market. Last 2 weeks, the erratic price action has been really challenging. We've had a lot of good trades on our stream. But for me personally, I don't like taking losses, especially when I have an understanding how market mechanics usually works. So it's something that I wrote in my journal on stream. And hopefully after this week, we can go back to regular price action. But it doesn't matter what kind of environment we're in. I should be able to trade any environment. And with that said, that's all I have. If you're enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, then subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community. And if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.